Good morning. Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed yourselves. Here I am. It's Monday, the Bubba Show. I'm Bubba, of course. And taking a look at last week's action. As we do every Monday, we do the recap and preview. We see that we had a little weakness early in the week, and then later in the week we had pretty much a pretty strong rally. This is a market that is now fighting. I guess the battle lines are drawn around that 13,000 in the Dow. Somewhere around 1420 to 1430 in the S&P. We're going to fight around these levels and kind of churn. As we've talked about many times, this is more of a bullish time of year. I've been trying to look for spots to sell in the resistance. I will continue to do so because I think we're much nearer the top than the bottom. But you have to respect the tape and you have to respect what's going on. Every day we have a new battle lines drawn based on what's going on in the cliffs, and we're going to talk about the fiscal cliffs this week on one of these days and what it all means. But every day you've got Obama and Boehner coming out debating the issue in the press, and all they're doing is posturing, and it's just driving the market crazy. One of the things you want to take note of here is the lack of volatility and how the volatility is getting crushed in the market, and how the options are just getting wasted away again to nothing. Typically that type of complacency will bring in a fairly strong sell-off at some point, and it will, but when is the question, which is why we as traders don't try to pick tops and bottoms. We try to find levels that make sense. So looking at last week, fairly choppy week. Very, came down to a bottom. Now one of the subtle details you want to take a look at is, we did make a higher low on Wednesday as we were coming down. So, it's certainly the time of year that the rally could maintain. And as I've said, all along, I expect the end of the year to close somewhere up around here, and I wouldn't be surprised to see some sort of sell-off. So, looking forward to this week. Well, we're now coming down into the last 3 trading weeks of the year. I mean, real trading. This is we'll be coming into Christmas, and we're going to be at the end. So you've got news. News is driving the market, but the technicals, which is what we focus on, we are up against resistance. We've looked at it, and they haven't ran away and hit. Okay, so what we want to look for opportunities that come into our wheelhouse and give us a good shot to make money in what we're looking for. You've seen gold is starting to take some pressure in the market. You've seen a lot of things starting to happen. So what I'm looking for is I'm still looking for that good spot at resistance to take an opportunity to take a short position or a sell position. I want everybody who's long, make sure you tighten up your stops. Let's figure on, in our short-term trading positions, I'd like to be fairly clean by the time that the holidays roll along. So this week, news. Watch the cliffs. We're going to talk about it. But basically, it comes back down to trade your charts and trade your levels and not try to outsmart the market. We are technical traders. Fundamentals have not changed. In the meantime, the market whips back and forth. So we'll see how the play goes on. Remember, Bubba's picks, still doing well. We're still hanging in there. Remember the calls. If you've got any interest, please let me know. Please email me at todd@adamesh.com. Would love to see you participate. Would love to see you around. And for Monday, the Bubba Show, we'll talk to you on Tuesday. Have a great day.